Alright, so I'll be doing an oil change, and if I have time I'll do the valve cover gaskets today. Just kind of go the car, you know, see maybe it's gonna need something, blah blah blah. So yeah, here we go. Ooh, hot. He's hot. Yes. It was that time. I drove 3,500 on this oil. So we'll be changing it. Here's my old oil filter. Got a new one here from my favorite pelicanparts.com. New oil filter and also new O-rings, all four. Okay. And now I can put it back in the car. This was cleaned up too. And a new gasket for the drain plug. What I'm using, 530, bought from the store, and takes like 8.5 quarts as far as I remember, something like that. I don't remember exactly, but yeah. As you can see, I disconnected the coils. They're just laying down there, and that's okay. And I don't know if I'll be removing these lines, but I have to disconnect this breather hose right there, and then I can just try to pop it out. The hose you need to remove, and as you can see, I removed, there was a zip tie holding it. As you can see how bad it is? I'm just trying to move it a little, and it's just breaking in pieces. That's how bad it is. Oh, look. So that's not really good. So I'll just somehow take this out. Okay, leave it like that for now. And now I already loosened these bolts up. There's basically torx that go all the way around. This is the E10, so that's what you have to use on these. So I'll loosen these up, and I'm just gonna take them all out. There's some on the bottom too, and yeah, I'll be ready to take this valve cover out. The hose, I disconnected it right here. It goes to the throttle body. There's this other one here too, this guy. Connects, let's see if I can show you, connects right here. So you gotta disconnect it. It goes under this kind of a fuel rail and stuff. the other hose coming out. Oh, it's just breaking apart. Let's see if I can take it out. Oh, there it is. And now, immediately, I'm gonna install new ones here. So, let's grab new ones. One side is out. The engine is not, I mean, it's pretty clean, you know, there's no sludge. It's pretty good. I changed the oil on time on this baby. Maybe somebody before me didn't do it enough, but chain is good and all that stuff. There's the how it looks from the inside. Looks just great. Literally, look at that. It's perfect. Carefully remove this gasket, clean the area up, and start installing everything back. I prepared the surface and I just covered it up right now. I'm gonna start cleaning this engine cover. Here's the look at the old gasket. It wasn't so horrible yet. Yeah, it's not really brittle, but replacing it. Now I'm gonna clean this all up. She's all cleaned up here. Now I'm gonna flip it around and take this off, and I'm gonna reseal this spot right here for the PCV system. There it is. Gotta clean it all up nicely. Take the old gasket off and reseal it. Alright, this is sitting now. I just have to tighten the 3 torx bolts on it as quickly as possible. All 3 bolts are tightened up. Now I can install the valve cover gasket, and pretty much it. Yeah, I can put it back. Okay, got 2 of them. Okay, the gasket is installed on this, and now I'm gonna go ahead, grab my oil. Excuse this mess here. This is the repair day today. So here's my oil. I'm gonna oil up my camshaft right there. There you go. Oil everything up nicely. Okay, so I did pre-lubricate this camshaft. And I can put everything back now. And I'm just installing new hoses, PCV hoses. One is installed. Now there's the other one. It goes from here to the valve body. Throttle body, I'm sorry. Okay, so this side is done. Okay, I did the other side, so the second side right now, is pretty much I had to remove the air intake, all the tubes, disconnect this, and then the dipsticks, and now I can pull it off. Okay, another valve cover is out. Carefully, I'm gonna peel this valve cover gasket. This is resealed, and now I'm gonna flip it around. As you can see, this is pretty clean. I have to clean a little more, and I'm gonna install the valve cover gasket and put this valve cover back. Let's put it back. So everything is back together. I'm gonna go ahead and start the engine, see how she's running, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna let it run, and yeah, I'll put the cover back on, and everything is good. I can put my engine cover back on. As you can see, I picked up all my trash. I'm gonna throw it away. Okay. Okay, perfect.